differential equations. So do you know what is meant by equation first of all? Equation बोले तो क्या है? There is a difference between the equation and expression. Most of the students don't know this one also.
In equation, there will be variables.
No, not like. No. Before saying the equation, you need to know that what is meant by open sentence. Actually, the mathematics algebra starts with the statements and open sentence. Statements in the last class, 11th class, you have learned. Okay, I told you mathematical reasoning time at the time of mathematical reasoning. Right? So, actually, any sentence which can be said either true or false is called as a statement. Any statement which can be, suppose if you are saying that, if you are unable to say that either it is true or false, then it is called open sentence. As sentence is nothing, say statement is nothing but which can be said either true or false. Yes, sahi hai, nahi hai. Statement. Open sentence is nothing but which cannot be said either true or false. Suppose in mathematics point of view, if you are taking into consider 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Yes, sahi hai. Statement. This is called statement. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. If I am saying that 5 plus 2 is equals to 6, if false, you are able to say. Therefore, it is called a statement. If I say that x plus 2 is greater than 6, no, we don't know the value of x, unknown quantity is there. So, it is open sentence. X plus 2 is equals to 6. If I also don't know value of x, sir, value of x is 4 now. No, value of x we can find out. X is a variable, we can take, it can be taken any number. So, normally basic thing is that. So, this is open sentence, statement and statement. So, this is statement. So, this is also statement. These two are open sentences. Even if equals to greater than, less than, whenever you are having open sentence we call. Open sentence in which is equals to sign is there is called as an equation. An open sentence in which is equals to sign is there is called equation, like this. So, simply you can say that, or you can say that two algebraic expressions are equated. Two algebraic expressions. This is algebraic expression, this is an algebraic expression. If both are equated by the is equals to symbol, it is an equation. Equation means that one. Now here we are going to learn the differential equation. So normally what is meant by a differential equation means an equation, you may have the trigonometric equation. This is algebraic equation. 2x plus 3 is equals to, it's polynomial. Whenever it is a polynomial equation, not polynomial. This is only called polynomial. Is equal to 0 or is equal to 7, some number if it is given to you, it is called a polynomial equation or algebraic equation, you can say, in which variables are there. Okay? Suppose if it contains the trigonometry, sin x plus cos x is equals to 0. It is trigonometric equation. In the 11th class, trigonometric equations as finding the solution of trigonometric equations you will learn. Okay, so like that, an equation which involves the derivatives, is called as a differential equation. So, involving the derivatives is nothing but, suppose you may have like this x dy by dx plus x square is equals to 0. Isme dy by dx is there, derivative of the function y. And here, some notations we will use. What are the notations means? Usually dy by dx will be written as y power 1 time. T square by dx square 2 times the second derivative. 2 times if you are doing the derivative, and it is represented by y double dash. D cube by d to the power of dx cube can be written as y 3 times. So you may get those 10 times if you are doing the derivative. How do we represent? These can also be represented in the easiest way by giving the suffix also. Suffix means, suppose for the derivative of the higher order, means more than the 3 order if you are taking into. So it is convenient to dashes, more dashes, it is not possible. So what do we do? you represent normally by नीचे suffix में n लिखते हैं d to the power of n minus dx to the power of n. Even you can write like this. These are the notations we are going to use in the differential equations. These are the notations we are going to use in the differential equations. समझ में आया? So simple thing here. So now the first concept is order and degree of the differential equation. So what is meant by order of the differential equation? Let us see. So order of the differential equation is nothing but highest order of the derivative present in the differential equation. Highest order of the derivative. Okay, suppose if you are given order of differential equation. In a short-form differential equation can be written as d. Okay, so the order of the differential equation is nothing but suppose if I am taking a differential equation dy by dx is equals to log x and d. So this is a differential equation and it contains the dy by dx. The highest order of means highest derivative what you are finding here. इसमें highest derivative क्या है? 1 है. So that's why the order of the differential equation is 1. For this the order is 1. If you are taking the another differential equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus y is equals to 0 if you are taking. इसमें the highest order of derivative means इसमें 2 times derivative कर रहे हैं, इसमें 1 time derivative कर रहे हैं. Then we can call it this as a second order differential equation. It is called the second order differential equation. And suppose in case if it is given to you d cube pi by dx cube plus dy by dx whole to the power of 5 plus 4 is equals to 0 is taken into consideration. Examples I am giving you. Can you say what is the order of this differential equation? Can you say what is the order of this differential equation? Highest order of derivative क्या है? What is the highest order of the derivative? What is the highest order of the derivative?
2.
Sir,
Second order.
second one is 3.
Second order. Second order किधर है? Second है ये 3 है. This is D. 3 or 5. Here confusion is there. Whether it is a 3 or 5, confusion will be there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting confused?
Third one is making confusion.
Here the simple thing is that highest order of the derivative is nothing but more number of times where you are doing the derivation. Why you are doing the here derivative 3 times. Third order derivative both. Either one time only doing, but it is going to have the power 5. It is completely different from this one. समझ में आया? Did you get my point here? So in this, the highest order is 3 times derivative. Power you don't see. इसको power if it is given to you 6. Here power 6 given or power anything is given. The order of the differential equation is equals to this is the order of this differential equation is 3 only. Why? Because 3 maximum. Either one time derivative or 3 times derivative. Power you don't see. What the power you are having? Power it is not necessary to say. So highest means blindly you can say that dn to the power of y by dx to the power of n. N is highest wherever you are finding. That is the order of that particular differential equation. समझ में आया? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, this is order of the differential equation. Now let us go for the degree of differential equation. Don't get confused with it. Degree of the differential equation. On order and degree. Based on this, you are going to have the first exercise. Okay? Degree of the differential equation. First, polynomial degree. What is meant by polynomial degree? Degree of the polynomial equation. Highest means highest power of the variable present is called the degree of the polynomial. isn't it? Suppose if I am saying the normally polynomial x cube plus x square plus 3x minus 2 is equals to, what is the degree of this polynomial equation, that is. Okay, what is the degree of this polynomial? 3. 3 is the degree. So here, to define the degree of the differential equation, that the differential equation must be a polynomial equation in the derivatives. Just like here variable x what you are having, in the same way here you are going to have the polynomial in the derivatives. Derivatives में polynomial होना है. That is nothing but you should have, instead of x here, x का place में either y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, or y1, y2, y3 should be there. If it is, to define, if it is a polynomial in the derivatives, then only it is defined. Degree of the differential equation. Degree of the differential equation is defined only if it is a polynomial in the derivatives. Polynomial in the derivative. That means you should have in the place of x there y dash or y double dash or y double dash should be there. If you are having like that, the highest power of the derivative whatever you are having, and that is called it is called as a degree of that particular polynomial, means polynomial differential equation. Means if it is a differential equation is given, so that means highest power of the means highest power of the highest derivative to be taken into consideration. समझ में आया what I am saying? So I will explain to you through the example. Let us take the one example into consideration. Just d cube by dx square plus d cube by dx cube plus d square by dx square whole to the power of 5 plus d1 by dx plus 5 is equals to 0. Whatever it may be, some constant may be given, anything, just. And I am going to give you one more differential equation also. I will give you. Compare, either define होगा, either define नहीं होगा. Let us see. Okay. Plus dy by dx minus sin y is equals to 0. And if it is given to you, dy by dx plus sin of dy by dx is equals to 0. Whenever you observe that the first one, it is a polynomial equation in the terms of y power 3 is there, y square is there, means these three are there. Is it a polynomial equation? Yes. Second one, if you observe that it's a polynomial equation in y dash, only y dash is there in this. This is a polynomial equation in y triple dash, y double dash, y dash. This is a polynomial equation in y dash. Only y dash is. It is not a polynomial in terms of y. Y, because sin y is given. Trigonometry is used here. Degree of these two types of the differential equations is defined. Degree of these two differential equations, but degree of this is not defined, because sin के अंदर dy by dx is given. Okay, समझ में आया? So now what is a degree? The degree means polynomial equation. Whenever you are taking into consider, when a polynomial is taken into consider, here the highest power of the positive integral of the highest order of the derivative. What is the order of this derivative? Sorry, this differential equation. What is the order of the first differential equation? Order 3. Order is 3. 3. इसका power highest power क्या है? Sir, here highest power 5 you are having. 5 is the degree of the differential equation. No. Suppose if you are having d cube by dx cubes के साथ, if I am giving here d cube by dx cube whole square is given to one more term, then the 2 is the degree of the differential equation. In this case, the degree of the differential equation is 1 because highest order क्या है, highest order of the derivative क्या है and उसका power क्या है, highest power, that should be same. So the degree of this differential equation is 1 here. So degree of this differential equation, in this what you are having, highest order क्या है, highest order is 1. 1 is the highest order because here dy by dx, here dy by dx. So highest order is 1. So that's why the degree is इसका highest power क्या है, either dy by dx का power 1 है, either dy by dx का power 2. Then so the degree is 2. So the degree is 2. So this is about the degree of the differential equation and order of the differential equation. Order and degree, if defined the differential equation, are all positive integers. Main point you need to note down that order and degree, in case if it is defined, always positive integers. They should be always positive integers. Okay, so this is the main point you need to observe. So now let us see the exercise 9.1. What are the questions are given to you based on the order and degree, so that the concept of order and degree can be easily understandable. Okay, so exercise problems whenever we are solving them, relatively easy for you to understand that. So this concept of the order and degree. So you may get a 1 mark question based on this. We can expect the 1 mark question based on this. Okay, order and degree में 1 mark question expect कर सकते हैं. So the first question is given to you. Determine the order and degree if defined of the differential equation d power y, d power 4. First question is d to the power of 4y by dx to the power of 4 plus sin y
Sir?
highest order of the differential equation. Here order means more number of times derivative करने वाला क्या है, either 4 times either 3 times. So order is 4, but the degree is not defined in this case. Why it is not defined? It is not a polynomial in the derivatives. It is not a polynomial in the derivatives because sin के अंदर ये derivative is there. So trigonometry or any other, if you are taking into examples, let us see that means exercise problems, whenever you see that we will get into the solutions. समझ में आया degree and order, why it is defined by this. Determine the order and degree of the differential equation. Y power 1 plus 5y is equals to 0. Y power 1 is nothing but y dash. Y dash is nothing but one time derivative. So in this, what is the order, highest order of the derivative? Order is 1 because observation only, and order 1 means इसका highest power क्या है, y dash का highest power क्या है, you have to see. What is the highest power of y, you have to see. That is degree. Degree is also equal to 1. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
The next question is given to you. ds by dt whole to the power of 4. ds by dt whole to the power of 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square is equals to 0. So can you say what is the order here? What is the order?
2, sir.
Order is highest power is 2. Can you say the degree?
Degree will be, sir, 4.
No. ये order 2 बोल रहा है ना. Why? How did you say the 2 here? ये d square s by dt square. In this d square s by dt square का highest power क्या है वो देखना है.
1.
Yes, this one. ये नहीं देखना है. d square s by dt square का highest power क्या है, that you need to see. Fourth question, if you see that what is the question given to you, d square y by dx square whole square, d square y by dx square whole square plus cos also dy by dx. Whenever it is given to you under the cos trigonometry, it is given to you. Order is very simple here, 2. But 2 order degree, most of the students what they will do, oh इसका highest power 2 है ना, 2 is a degree लिखता है, but degree is not defined. Degree is not defined in this. समझ में आया? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So now here in this case order is 2, but degree is not defined. And fifth problem, every problem is little bit unique only in this. That's why I am explaining to you the questions here. D square by dx square. Most of ये सारा देखने के बाद सारा लोगों को क्या करता है ना, इधर trigonometry is there is degree not defined बोल के सोचता है. No, trigonometric function के अंदर variable whatever it is taken, that is derivative में होता है तो degree not defined. But in this case, if you see that most of the students will think that oh, either trigonometry is there, so it is not defined बोल के सोचता है. No, in this case the order is 2, but the degree is, can you say? Can you say? Can you say degree?
Degree will be 1, sir. No,
Yes.
yes, 1.
One only. Year 3, ये देखना नहीं है. This is just like a variable only. You are not supposed to see that one. Okay. Sixth question क्या है? Sixth question I think so you easily you can do it. Just let us discuss here. Y 3 times derivative whole square. 3 times derivative whole square. Y 2 times derivative whole cube. Y 1 time derivative whole to the power of 4 and y to the power of 5 is equals to 0. This is differential equation. The highest order of this differential equation क्या है? 3. So therefore most means maximum derivative किधर कर रहे हैं वो 3. And both 3 का power क्या है? Highest power क्या है? Suppose 3 if you are having somewhere else also, you may have like this also. Plus y triple dash whole to the power of 7 if you are having is equal to 0. In case then the degree becomes here 2 है, highest power here 7 है, तो highest power क्या है वो देखना है. So in this case it is not given to you like that, only one power is given. So therefore the degree is here, it is 2. Degree is 2. समझ में आ रहा है? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Not difficult ना?
Yes, sir.
Seventh problem. Because a little bit every problem is unique, okay? So that's why to understand the concept of this one, every problem is explained. But in the coming exercises, all the problems are not different. Coming exercises, mein. So even seventh problem you can do it. It's not a difficult. Can you say? Do you have the textbook with you? Seventh and when you see the eighth one also. Y dash eighth one देखो. The question is given to you, y dash plus y is equals to e power x is given to you. So what is the degree and order of the differential equation? Order is 1. इसका highest power is 1. So therefore degree is also 1.
1.
E power x is there now. Let it be e power x. What's the problem? And ninth problem, whenever you said order is 2 and degree is 1. So 10th problem, if you take all these are okay, and in this different one is 11th problem is it's not a differential equation. So 11th and 12th easily just objective bits only. Objective bits I am leaving to you as a homework. You can do it, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
So next thing is that solution of the differential equation. What is meant by a solution? So there are two types of the solution is there, general and particular solution. Solution of the differential equation is the next concept. So let us go for the solution of the differential equation. Excuse me. Solution of the differential equation. So whenever you solve the any differential equation, any equation, suppose what is the solution of the equation is nothing but x square plus 1 is equals to 1. Suppose if it is taken, what is the x value? X is equals to kya hai? That is the value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called the value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called a solution. Means LHS को RHS को equal करना है. Now, if you are considering any differential equation, suppose let us consider the differential equation d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. Is a one differential equation I am considering. Okay. So here, if you take here the value of the y place में a function will be taken into consider, and y is equals to some f of x. Y is equals to some f of x is taken into consider, and in that some, if you are taking in some variables, if you are getting, okay, so then it is called as a general solution, and instead of the without a variable, without any arbitrary constant बोलते हैं, we call them as a arbitrary constants. Suppose if you are taking here the function, any function y is equals to f of x, if you are taking into consider, this function may be given to you. Suppose a sin ax plus b. Suppose, let us consider, or a sin ax plus b, or a sin x. Here a and b are called arbitrary constants. We call them as a, while solving the problems you will come to know that. So, but in place of a and b, some other variable is, some other particular numbers are taken into consider. Then that solution is called particular solution. If with like this arbitrary constants is involved in the solution, they are called as, means this function will satisfy the here. So d square y by dx square plus y is equals to 0 whenever you are taking this function, इसमें substitute कर लिया तो means इस function को 2 times derivative करके ये function as it is ले लिया. Suppose example I am saying, this function may not satisfy, so some other function, and in that function there will be some arbitrary constants, and which involves the arbitrary constant is called general solution, and which involves the solution which contains the arbitrary constant is called a general solution, which particular numbers are given to you. Instead of a, some number 2 is given to you, and like that if it is given to you, then it is called as a particular solution. And how do we find out the particular solution? How do we find out the solutions? Different methods are there to find out the solution of the differential equation. Variable separable method, homogeneous differential equations, and you are having exact differential equations. Exact differential equation is not there for you. Okay, so linear differential equation is there. Differential equations में आप लोगों को methods of solving, different methods will be there. One is variable separable method. Second one is homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear differential equations. Exact differential equations will be there. Exact differential equations is not given to you in this standard, and then next higher standard में आप लोग पढ़ेंगे graduation. So now here second exercise में one solution will be given to you. Verify whether that is a solution of the differential equation or not. You have to verify it in the exercise. Mostly second exercise. Okay. So let us see that whether given is a solution or not. Okay. So the question is given to you. Just we have to substitute and derivative करना है. Derivative करके उसमें substitute करना है. Nothing else. So exercise 9.2. So first problem, whenever you see that, all the problems are mostly similar in this. The different problems let us take into consider and I will explain. Y is equals to e power x plus 1 is given to you. Whether it is a solution of y double dash minus y dash is equals to 0. It is a solution of y double dash and y dash is equals to 0 का solution है ना, ये check करना है. So how do we check this? First, y is equals to e power x plus 1. Y dash find out करो. Y dash is nothing but derivating this equation with respect to x once. So e power x only you are going to get d by dx of, if you want to unite here, if you get confused, d by dx of e power x plus 1 which is equals to e power x plus 0. Now differentiating this with respect to dx again, y double dash you are going to get. So that is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx. d square by dx square this one. So that is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx क्या है हमको e power x है, इसको डेरिवेट करना है. So these values you substitute here. So y double dash minus y dash is equals to e power x minus e power x, which is equals to 0. 0 आ गया. Therefore, you can write y is equals to e power x plus 1 is the solution of. Can you say that it is a general solution or particular solution? It is a solution, but whether it is a general solution or particular solution, can you expect? Huh? Suppose
Single solution, sir.
in the place of 1, if I am taking 5, होगा नहीं होगा? In the place of 1, if I take the 5 solution,
होगा sir.
So ये particularly एक number दे दिया है इधर. 1 का place में arbitrary constant है, and that is given to you. One particular constant, one number is given to you. So that's why it is particular solution actually. General solution बोले तो in the place of ये इधर some a is given or some k is given or some c is given, some variable is given, arbitrary constant है, वो variable नहीं, it is an arbitrary constant. We call that as an arbitrary constant, and that arbitrary constant whenever you are taking, then the solution whatever you are getting, this is a solution of this one. That solution is called as a general solution of the differential equation. Okay, समझ में आया?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Let us move to the fourth question. So remaining just like this only, how to substitute it. So all the problems are similar models only, so you can do it. It's not difficult to you. So fourth problem, whenever you are doing it, so y is equals to under root of 1 plus x square is the solution of y dash is equals to x y by 1 plus x square. This is the solution of. So now what you have to do, differentiating this with respect to x, you need to do first one y dash, this one differentiating with respect to x on both sides, दोनों साइड में करना. So y dash is equals to, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है? रूट x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by 2 root x, and the derivative of 2x is derivative of under in the inside the root whatever you are having, that is 1 plus x square you are having. 1 plus x square का derivative is 2x, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what you are going to get here, y dash is equals to x by under root of 1 plus x square. You can substitute this here. If you want, you can substitute this here, or you can write here replace भी कर सकते हैं. In the further problems, you will have the replacing. Substitute करके भी check कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, you can write it as आप लोग चाहे तो multiply the numerator and denominator by under root of 1 plus x square. ये substitute करके भी वही आ जाएगा. If you want, two methods are there. So here substitute this one. This is the y dash. Substitute in y dash is equals to x y by 1 plus x square. इसमें substitute करो, x is equals to x by under root of 1 plus x square is equals to x y by 1 plus x square. But y is equals to क्या है? Under root of 1 plus x square. That you write here. So here under root है, इधर root आ जाएगा. So what you are going to get here? X by under root of 1 plus x square is equals to x by under root of 1 plus x square. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं by taking this one, ये इसी को लेके ये differential equation form कर सकते हैं. You can form the differential equation also. This is one method of doing. The other thing is, ये आने के बाद y dash is equals to x by under root of 1 plus x square. इसको मैं क्या करता हूँ ना, इधर I will write here 1 plus x square, here 1 plus x square. Y dash is equals to x into under root of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. So this is y. So y dash is equals to x y by 1 plus x square. So you have got this differential equation. Actually, this is called forming the differential equation when the solution is given to you. When the general solution is given to you, forming the differential equation. That topic is deleted from your syllabus. But this is the method to do it. Form. ये solution है इसको differentiate करते जाना है. In this, what is the highest order of the derivative is there? What is the highest order of the derivative is there? That you need to observe. By observing that one, you need to solve it. Okay? Can you do it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
In this different problem and lengthy problem, let us take into consider. Sixth one, you can do it. It's not difficult. Seventh one, you may feel xy is equals to log y plus c. Okay, seventh problem. Let us take. Easy problems I am leaving to you as a homework, and difficult problems I am explaining to you. And please practice the problems as you are having the very best time, and don't neglect it. Question is given to you. Sorry, xy is equals to log y plus c. Either plus c is given. Observe that. So that is nothing but it is. What is this? It is general solution. This is a general solution. Okay. So now what to do here? This you have to do the differentiating with respect to x on both sides. इसको differentiate करना है. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So you may get up, sir, with respect to x, y you are doing x. Here we are having y dash. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. Okay. Now what you have to do? This is d by dx of xy. Xy is nothing but UV method apply करना है. X into dy by dx. dy by dx plus y into dx by dx. So it is 1 is equals to log y differentiation is 1 by y because y is the function in terms of x. So you have to derivative this with respect to x again. Y is a function in terms of x and plus c का derivative, its constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. Now here x dy by dx. If you want dy by dx here, you write as a y dash plus y is equals to 1 by y dash. Y dash wherever you are having, you write, take that y dash together. एक साइड पे लेके आओ. समझ में आ रहा है? Otherwise this y you take to this side. xy y dash plus y square is equals to y dash. Now you take the y same side. तो ये उधर लेके जा. Y square is equals to y dash minus xy y dash. So y square is equals to y dash common there. 1 minus xy. This you take to the left side. Y square by 1 minus xy is equals to y dash. So we got differential. Actually, what we did, you know, here we formed the differential equation from the solution. Solution से differential equation form कर लिया. So here after forming like this, y dash क्या दे दिया है वो substitute कर लो. अच्छा है तो y dash y square by 1 minus xy इधर 1 y square by 1 minus xy substitute कर लो. So LHS RHS both are equal you are getting. Therefore this is the solution of this differential equation. After finding this y dash find out करके ये y dash को इसमें substitute करना है. Actually, so substitute कर लो y dash find out करके वही आ जाएगा. वही directly आ गया. So substitute करने का जरूरत क्या है? So this is only the method of finding the differential, forming the differential equation when the solution is given to you. When the solution is given to you, this is a method of finding the differential equation. So which is actually deleted from your syllabus. Syllabus से वो delete कर दिया है. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? Is it clear to you? Anurag?
Yes, sir.
Next, let us move to the 9th problem. So 9th one. So the question is given x plus y is equals to tan inverse y, where differential equation is given to you y square y dash plus y square plus 1 is equals to 0. इसको differentiate with respect to x on both sides. दोनों तरफ differentiate कर लो. Okay, so now what do you get here? D by dx of x plus 1 plus y dash. Directly I am writing y dash. What is the differentiation of tan inverse y? 1 by 1 plus y square and dy by dx, that is y dash. Okay, so now y dash, wherever you are having all the terms to be taken in one side. So a y dash to other take 1 is equals. Otherwise, this 1 plus y square can be taken to the right side. ये 1 plus y square को इधर लेके आओ. So 1 plus y square into 1 plus y dash is equals to y dash. Okay, so 1 plus y square, 1 plus y square plus 1 plus y square into y dash is equals to y dash. ये पूरा term right side लेके आओ. 1 plus y square is equals to y dash minus 1 plus y square into y dash. So you take the y dash common here, 1 minus 1 plus y square in the brackets. So y dash 1 minus 1 minus y square. ये दोनों cancel. So we will get y dash minus y dash y square. 1 plus y square is equals to. ये right side लेके जाओ. 1 plus y square plus y square y dash is equals to 0. यही यहाँ है. Simple है, थोड़ा simplify करते जाना है. Not more you are going to have. So this is a way to check the differential equation and forming the differential equation whenever the solution is given to you. Solution whenever it is given to you, forming the differential equation is also this one. So you can do these problems. 10th problem also you can do. It's not difficult to you, I think so. So complete the remaining problems and objective bits whatever you are having here. Okay. So 9.3 exercise is deleted from your syllabus. Actually, forming the differential equation when the solution is given to you. Okay.